Welcome to IT Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create local user account in Windows 11. So first click on Start menu and go to Settings. Then in Settings, go to Accounts. Then on Accounts page, click on Other Users option. Then under Other Users, click on Add Account. And it will give you this window to create a new user account. Give the username, so I'll just say user1 and then type the password for this account, and then it will ask you to set security questions, so I'll just fill these questions and then click next, and now the account is created. This is one way to create the account. The other way is through command prompt. So search for cmd and run command prompt as admin. Now type the command net space user space, give the username for this account, so I will say user2, then type the password for this account and then space slash add and then click enter. So now if you go back to other users section, then you will be able to see the account that we just now created. So these are the two ways to create user account. If you want to assign admin rights to any of the account, then click on change account type. From the drop down, select administrator and then click OK. So now this account is local account with administrator privileges. If this information was useful to you, then please subscribe to IT Tutorials. Thank you.